Welcome to Live Chat Tips. Let's see how to categorize your chats using tags. Tags are the words that help identify topics of chats and tickets. They enable you to group all conversations into different categories and put them in order. Creating tags is easy and takes less than drinking your flat white. Go to the Tags section in your live chat, name your tag, and click the Add button. Your tags are close at hand below the text box, ready to be applied. Tagging lets you quickly filter the archives and reports, find all chats within a given tag, diagnose your pain points, and plan improvements.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to watch another video because nothing is more important than growing your store. Don't forget to subscribe so that you're the first to receive notifications before your competition. Growing your site and increasing conversions takes time. You can never replace your time. Get it right the first time. For more WooCommerce growth, don't leave without clicking subscribe to WooCamp.